What's up guys, it's Ryan with the MXG channel, and I've got a rare treat for you all today. I always have people commenting and asking, where's the RMZs? Where are the RMZs? You guys are a Suzuki dealer, AMC's a Suzuki dealer. Where are the Suzukis? Got one here for you today, a 2022 RMZ-450. The sad thing is I don't have a lot of information to tell you about it because it's, you know, unchanged for 2022. And we don't know anything about any 2023 models, and this is our first 2022 we've got, and it's we're almost into May of 2022 now, so a little bit sad there. But the good news is, guys, I love these bikes. I have ridden this generation. I've got some videos on this channel of me testing out this generation, and I still enjoy this bike immensely. I like it more than the Yamaha 450s. They look good, they feel skinny when you're sitting on them. You don't feel the extra weight that this bike has. It's true, especially in my olden age, I prefer an e-start. I prefer some bells and whistles, especially when I'm spending the kind of money we spend on these bikes. But there's no lying, guys, this thing is a great bike. It's got good suspension. There's nothing bad about it whatsoever. And I was a little out of the loop and kind of unaware that these things had the Suzuki tuners on them that's made by Get, that you can tune from your smartphone, and it's got the replaceable couplers. So I was kind of out of the loop there. That was news to me, but I love the look. I love this color fork. I love the way their triple clamps are done, and their triple clamps are always made so well. You can put this bike on a stand, you can loosen up these bolts here, and the forks will just fall out. You don't have to do any prying or tweaking like you do on some of the other models. So I really enjoy it. So this bike comes stock with the Bridgestone Battlecross X30R tires. We hear a lot of good things about it. The only negative kind of stigma you hear about this bike, besides the fact that it's still kickstart and lacking a little, you know, a few bells and whistles, is its rear shock. It's a relatively new shock in the moto world, and they say that you can make this feel really good, but out of the box sometimes it can need some adjustments. So I do like on these, though, they've kind of went KTM style with a lock ring and a plastic preload washer. I don't like that it's plastic, but I like that design better. But yeah, guys, it's pretty cool, and it's still available. So if you are interested in picking this up, you better hurry, because there's not going to be a whole lot of these this year. You want to call AOMC and ask for John in sales and tell him you saw this video, and he'll help you out, man. I really like the blue tank, how the blue just ties together. Looks really good, guys. So all right, guys, if you have any questions, comments, let me know what you think about these. Are they outdated? Is Suzuki done? Are they going to quit making moto bikes at all? What's the deal? What's your opinion? Leave it down below. I'll keep an eye on the comments. Thanks so much. 2022 Suzuki RMZ 450. See you guys in the next video.